Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. Once there, find the Color Correction or Color Filters entry. That's the built-in system control you must use. You enable it now, don't install third-party apps. If Color Filters is hidden, enable the Accessibility shortcut or Developer options to reveal advanced display toggles. Make sure Bluetooth or screen casting is off while you set colors so previews stay accurate. You're activating the only reliable, system-level filter available on most phones. Once color filters are active, you pick a filter type, for example red, green, blue, or grayscale, depending on the tint you want. You then adjust intensity or balance with the provided slider. This changes how strongly the filter applies across the entire UI. Make small incremental moves and test using photos and a bright white web page to judge accuracy. If available, choose a custom matrix or color correction mode to fine-tune hue and saturation. This is the detailed execution that gives you predictable color control. To finish, save your chosen filter and enable the accessibility shortcut so you can toggle the filter quickly. Once done, check the result at multiple brightness levels and in different apps to confirm consistency, and make sure auto brightness doesn't mask the effect. If colors look wrong or the filter won't apply system-wide, reboot the phone, install pending OS updates, or reset display settings. These fixes resolve most conflicts. If the issue persists, visit the device support page or a service center for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.